Rabbits are social creatures. They live in groups called warrens, which can be made up of several families. Rabbits are very affectionate and bond closely with their owners. Some will even come when called. Rabbits are very good at hearing. They can hear sounds that are too high-pitched for humans to hear. This helps them to stay safe from predators. Rabbits can communicate with each other using a variety of sounds. They use these sounds to warn each other of danger, to communicate with their babies, and to show their emotions.